BCom, BBA, BCA, BSc 3-semester open elective subject. NEP Solved Question Paper 2023 February, March. Economics. Rural Economics. Part A. Answer any 10 questions from the following. 10x2 equals 20. 1. Write any 4 characteristics of rural economy. Dependence on agriculture. Population density. Poverty. Migration. Village is an institution. 2. Give the meaning of inclusiveness. Inclusiveness means ensuring equal access, participation, and opportunities for all individuals, regardless of their differences, to create a fair and equitable environment. It creates employment opportunities and reduces poverty. 3. Write any 2 features of Integrated Rural Development Program. Providing assistance to the rural poor in the form of subsidy and bank credit for productive employment opportunities through successive plan periods. Adequate supplies of fertilizer and pesticide, improved seeds and other essential productions. Incentives, educational, technical and farm management assistance made available in the every village. 4. Give the meaning of poverty. Poverty is a situation in which one's earnings from work are insufficient to meet fundamental human requirements. 5. What is Gandhi model? The Gandhian model is a partnership model that believes in inclusion and development with the dignity where everyone is treated as equal, and where everyone benefits. 6. Mention any 2 functions of Employment Generation Program. It provides employment opportunities. It helps in skill development. Creating self-employment opportunities. It aims at reducing poverty. Reduces dependency on money lenders. 7. Give the meaning of rural industry. Rural industries are non-farm activities that depend on rural resources and are primarily meant for employment generation through effective utilization of local available resources, human power and a technology that are native or homegrown. 8. Expand MSME. MSME micro, small and medium enterprises. 9. Write the meaning of microfinance. Microfinance is a system of providing small-scale financial services, including loans, savings, insurance and credit, to individuals or groups with low incomes who lack access to traditional banking services. In India, the loans below 1 lakh can be considered to be microloan. 10. Mention 2 defects of rural market. Standard of living, low literacy levels, low per capita income, transportation and warehousing problem. 11. Expand NABARD. NABARD National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. 12. What is rural sanitation? Rural sanitation generally refers to the provision of facilities and services for the safety disposal of human wastes. The word sanitation also refers to the maintenance of hygienic conditions through services such as garbage collection and wastewater disposal. Part B. Answer any 4 questions from the following. 4x5 equals 20. 13. Explain the objectives of rural economy. Education. Women empowerment, public health and sanitation, infrastructure development, employment opportunities, to improve increased and quick employment possibilities, to improve productivity and wages of rural people. 14. Explain the concept of sustainable development. Sustainable development means meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Dimensions of sustainable development. Economic dimensions, promoting growth, efficient resource use, and equitable wealth distribution. Social dimensions, ensuring equity, inclusion, and access to basic needs like education and healthcare. Environmental dimensions, protecting ecosystems, conserving resources, and reducing pollution. 15. Explain minimum needs method. The minimum needs method is a development strategy, established in Minimum Need Program, MNP, introduced in the 5th Five-Year Plan, 1974-1979, to provide certain basic minimum needs and improve the living standards of people. The minimum needs method is a development approach aimed at providing basic necessities like food, water, healthcare, education, and shelter to improve the living standards of underprivileged people. Components, features, rural health, rural water supply, elementary education, adult education, rural electrification, nutrition, social and economic development, houses for landless laborers. 16. Explain the importance of rural industries. Crucial for the growth of rural economy. Addressing the problem of agriculture laborers. Inclusive national development. Promoting micro and small enterprises. Women empowerment. Achieving sustainable development goals. Balanced industrialization. Preservation of India's rich culture. It stimulates agricultural production, generate employment opportunities, develop rural and backward areas. It eradicates poverty, Stops migration from rural to urban areas. 17. Write a short note on rural health. Rural health. Rural health focuses on the health and well-being of people living in rural areas, which often face unique challenges due to geographic, economic, and social factors. Access to healthcare services in rural areas is limited by factors such as inadequate infrastructure, shortage of healthcare professionals, and long distances to medical facilities. Rural populations also face higher rates of poverty, malnutrition, and limited health literacy, which contribute to poorer health outcomes. Addressing rural health requires improving healthcare access, increasing community health awareness, and strengthening primary healthcare services to reduce disparities and improve overall quality of life. The healthcare infrastructure in rural areas has been developed as a three-tier system as follows. Sub-center, primary health centers, PHCs. Community health centers, CHCs. Need for rural health infrastructure. Disease control rural health infrastructure. Targeted population. Reduce health expenditure. Greater vulnerability. Economic stability. 18. Explain the measures taken by the government to remove defects in rural markets. Regulated markets. Infrastructure development. Cooperative agricultural marketing societies. Minimum support price policy. Providing storages and warehouses. Part C. Answer any two questions from the following. 10x2 equals 20. 19. Explain the indicators of rural development. Economy, education, healthcare, environment, culture, infrastructure development, quality of life. 20. Examine poverty alleviation programs in India. Poverty alleviation is described as the set of ways framed by the government to deal with issue of poverty. The main intention is to hoist people out of grasps of poverty. Various schemes have been undertaken by the government to eliminate this evil of poverty from our country. Integrated Rural Development Program, IRDP. Jawahar Gram Samriddhi Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana. PMAYG. National Social Assistance Program, NSAP. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, MGNREGA. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. PMKVY. National Rural Livelihood Mission, Ajivika 2011. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, PMJY. 21. Explain the problems of MSME. Inadequate market linkages, lack of infrastructure, inadequate finance, lack of managerial competence, obsolete technology, regulatory issues, low productivity, lack of innovation, lack of professionalism, lack of standardized policies. 22. Explain the objectives and achievements of rural water supply. To provide safe drinking water and sanitation facilities to rural habitation and sustainable basis. To ensure permanent drinking water facility in rural areas. To promote conjunctive use of groundwater, surface water and rainwater harvesting to achieve the sustainability. To improve rural hygiene by providing individual toilets and sewerage system. To involve rural community in planning and execution of the rural water supply schemes. To encourage the rural population to properly manage water supply and sanitation facilities. Creating awareness about the waterborne diseases and other health hazards caused due to lack of sanitation and open defecation. It also involves conserving the water resources. Thank you. Subscribe.